was 4 and I go through hell, abuse, use and I go through hell. But me still hold on to faith and still I go on.
Never give up.
Yeah, when me at the age of 12, 13, me write my mother a letter. Like the people them write it. And when she come for me, them tell her, say them no write the letter and them write the letter. She come for me and say, you write the letter? Me say, yes, I mean write it because I like the liberty.
Okay.
Because the man, his son, you every time when him call we in the room or we go in the room, he just push up on the bed and him just use we.
Okay.
Whoa, chef, man.
Whoa, chef, man.
Whoa, chef, man. The kitchen make it work.
Yeah.
Say, I make it work for you, man.
Hey, so bring your bath suit. Bad chunks.
A man one neck.
Back, I need chunks.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Donna. Come catch you on the road. It's a wrong timing, a good timing.
A good timing still.
Cause you'd have gone already if me never see you, right?
Yeah. I come, so I go in and then you say I look for you.
Yeah, cause I come here and look for you and I never see you still. So, me have them and say I'll go to town and gone.
Prayer breakfast.
Our prayer breakfast. So at least you don't go out and cooking today.
No.
So I can't say the work still go on, right?
Yeah.
The work still continue, so we are granite. So you know, so after graniting, wall can paint. So the reason why we don't put it on the roof in it because just inside I got dark for them to do the graniting.
Yeah.
So with the roof in the ground, the graniting will be a problem because you need a dark right now. So good thing at the light. So whenever graniting we on the finishing. And we give thanks, we give thanks. And we always have to highlight them with the condition. This is where Donna is living. So all the new viewers, all new donors that just come on the program and saw the project that we're doing. I will mention about Miss Donna. This is Miss Donna, and this is where she's living at the minute. So this is the reason why we are trying to uplift her condition. So for all the new viewers and new subscribers, welcome to the program, welcome. And I'm introducing Miss Donna. So this is the current project that we're doing, the one that you've been seeing. So this project is for Miss Donna with her and her daughter and her brother, 2 kids them. So this is where she's living now with the 3 kids them. So this is Donna's room, right? Donna is done. Over here is the kids them room. So as you can see, this is how the kids them is living. You can see right outside through the walls. You can see the roofing with cardboards put up, you know, just to kind of prevent the heat, right, Donna? And the rain. Also when the rain fall. Okay, so when it rain in the leak. Okay. So we can see the cardboard them look like them wet already. So this is how the kids them is literally living, and remind them of the age as well. How old is your daughter, Donna?
110, 112, and the boy 14.
Okay, so you have 10, 12 and 14. So it's 2 girls and 1 boy. And this is Donna's room where Donna is staying. So this is where Donna is staying. If you can see, it's kind of dark. Oh, sorry. So basically it's just a bed inside here. And the outside of the fence that you're seeing is literally the next side part of the Donna room, right? The outside fence. As you can see the hole where the light is coming inside. So that's literally outside. This is Donna's space. So this is Donna's space. You know, this is where Donna cook. We share the kids them. You know, so this is Donna's kitchen where our stove is. As you can see, this is it. So that's why we have to always give thanks for life. You know, we have to give thanks for what you got, because you never know what someone else is going through. So no matter what in life, we have to always appreciate it, because we even went downtown to give out some food to the people on the street side, and there's this woman, her name is Sharon, and she got like 3 rifle shots. She get 1 in her hand and 2 in her legs. So she have to amputate on her legs them and 1 of her arms gone. She touched a lot of people because she's downtown on the street side, and she's still holding on to faith. And she still believes that she's got a purpose, because she's here for a reason.
Yes.
And she's living on the street side. But so she pray for her house, Buju Bantan come and bless her with a house.
Oh my God.
So, and it's all because through prayers and her belief, and she still say she have a purpose to come back to help the people them whenever she get a chance to can help them.
Yes.
She will help them. And she's down there, so we are trying event to see if we can help her in any way we can with food and them stuff, because she's down to it. And I like the way she's holding on to faith, that's what moved me more. She's down there.
Faith moved
and even though she said her mother gave her away when she was 3-years old, so she been going through it,
My mother gave me away when I was 4, and I got through hell, abuse, and I got through hell. But me still hold on to faith and still a go on.
Never give up.
Yeah, when me at the age of 12, 13, me write my mother a letter. Like the people and write it. And when she come for me, them tell her, say them no write the letter, and them write the letter. She look for me and say, you write the letter? Me say, yes, I mean write it, because I like the liberty.
Okay.
Because the man, him son, and you every time when him call we in the room or we go in the room, he just push up on the bed and him just use we.
Okay.
Yeah.
So child abuse, man. Child abuse.
Right now me say him come from America and they're the yard and tell myself say me not go look. Because the mind not dead I feel.
Yeah, because you remember everything what happened.
I remember sometimes I cry.
Yes.
I'm go through.
Yes, that's right. It's child abuse, boy. And that's like
I tell myself say, well, by living, me not go allow myself to do that, getting at them position there again.
Yeah, for any disadvantage.
Yeah. So when I live by myself alone on a mountain view, eventually my baby father, I don't know who gave me number, but him call me and say I don't want nobody to live with me, just want me stay. And him beg me and me come live here so with him and then.
And then Father God a blessing now see me because you know you've been fighting, see me, you've been going through what you've been going through.
Yeah.
See me, you believe in your prayers and you have faith.
Yeah man.
I mean,
Faith
you ask him.
mountain, so you have to just hold on to it.
Yeah, and that's what you did, you know, you asked for the blessings and see?
Yeah, I always ask God, Mr. Two things in life. Me need a house, me need a car where I can go around with and do some selling and work for myself. But working with people, it don't make no sense because guess what, you work for them sometime, them owe you, and when you collect your money,
problem.
yes.
Yes, so it's a problem. Them a call, somebody a call her.
Satyria.
I said to you, our daughter.
Yeah.
Come now, you call Donna.
Me just tell
Call
myself,
mama.
say, so I pray for the house and I know me I get it. So the car me I go after, you know, me can go around and go with me. Me say, me have things I sell still, you know, because me have some plate right there. So.
Or you get some things I sell.
Yeah, my mama tell us that me don't get some things from overseas. So plate there, so. Another barrel there, me have cup and also.
Okay, you have some place already. Okay.
Me have shoes, me have clothes.
Yeah. So you have to go get your set out a stall.
No, me I go country around 2 weeks from now because me have.
You have to fall out.
Go sell, no, me I go center and watch it.
Okay, go sell them
me
all.
the kids them. But them now go to school on Friday, so the Friday we go down Friday, sell Friday and Saturday, come back Sunday evening.
Okay, that good. That good then. So you go and see them all. Just keep try see me. You have to keep fight, see me. You cannot
Yeah
give
man, you
up.
have to keep the fight.
Yeah, so I have some donation for you as well towards the material. You know, because as we say, we put out a video because we've been seeking help. Because you know, the foundation always are gonna need support. Because I say things boy, everything really gone up, you know.
Yeah,
Then
I
we-
same thing I tell one of my friends right there overseas, me say everything gone up out there.
Of course,
Everything.
I can't believe. So the more things go up, the more people are gonna feel it.
Yeah.
Especially if you on food, just to buy food alone, much less. I want to tell you about. We are fighting still, you know, and true as I would say, we're trying. We give thanks for them.
Yeah.
You know, we thank them so much, you know, all the donors, them, everyone that reached out to me.
The other day me go up when comprehensive, and the kids them me go sign them off, brush them teeth, and when me I come back, me one lady say, Miss Donna, and me I look for her, I say, what me I know her here? Me know you from Kino program. I say, what there? Yeah.
Yeah, man, a lot of people around the place watch it, man, around the world do watch the program, you know, reach out to a lot of eyes.
Yeah.
You know, just because, you know, it's tough times now, you know, people are going through similar situations, same way.
Yeah.
Not because true people are firing through the rough, even rougher over there, you know, so.
Yeah, cause no snowstorm.
Yeah, so for them to like, to have a
And
kind
we go through
of,
the storm and go work and not send money
and
to
still a send.
it hard.
And of course, so why?
Yeah, but we put we trust in God for them and them I put them trust in God.
Yeah.
As them can help we. So
Yes. Look, come on a second.
every prayer me make me pray for them. All the donors them who may get things from.
Alright, so just then so we have some donation towards the material, right? Let's go up on the side over the light there. Right.
So
You said this one. Right, as you can see right there, so yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, so we have some donation here for you towards the material. So this is 14,000 from Carl and Denise from the USA.
Come KK. Hold this key. So we check it for second.
Yes, that's 14,000 from Carl and Denise.
Carl and Denise, thank you so much for this donation. And I thank you. I know it's hard for you up there with this snowstorm, but God will bless you. and I open the pocket never empty.
And I have another donation from this person one known as the Most High, God of Israel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is $10,000 from the Most High, God of Israel.
The Most High God of Israel, thank you so much. May your pocket never empty.
Yeah, so he always encourage everyone to read Psalms 41.
Yeah.
So he's encouraging you as well too and telling you about Psalms 41.
Okay.
So you probably know about Psalms 41,
Yeah.
right? Alright then, so we have another donation from Tony from Ilford, Essex. So this is from Tony from Ilford, Essex, UK. $17,000 towards the material.
Tony from UK, thank you so much. May your pocket never empty.
Yeah, so that's Tony from Ilford, UK. We give thanks. And we also have another donation from Donna and family from Toronto, Canada. We're from Donovan and family. So this is $17,000 from Donovan and family.
Donovan and family, thank you very much. And may your pocket never empty.
Yeah, so we give thanks to all the donors. Then that's all the donation we got now towards the material. I will give thanks for the support from the donors. I will give thanks to Donovan, give thanks to Tony as well, to Carl and Dennis. Yeah, thank you so much for your support, and also Donovan and family. So you know it's really a blessing. Donna, I want to thank all the donors them that reach out.
Yeah. Well, thank all the donors them that's reaching out to me and everybody else wanna reach out to. But thank you, no, and may your pocket never empty. Just keep safe and watch out with the snowstorm when you're not driving. Drive careful.
Alright, so blessings to all and thank you so much for supporting Donna on this journey. You know, we give thanks and thank you for reaching out. So as I say, the journey continues for Donna, and no matter how small it is, we're asking for any kind of support from Miss Donna and our journey to having this house complete. So we give thanks to all. Donna, continue seeing you, right? And the kids then. Kids, yeah, we are hide for. Donna daughter, this is Donna daughter. Yes. Alright, so blessings to all, blessings. Electrician, I go and electrocute that side of the wall, right there, so. Is it granite in? Yeah. Electric. It's not only electric. No. Spread the wings. You can see how you spread the wings. So we're on the verge of graniting. So graniting seems like at the finishing. It's all the dark, you know when you granite, a painting. Alright, so you know when that done, you know a roofing after graniting. So we're on the verge. Yeah, we're on the verge. Painter. Oh, prefect was smooth. Was smooth painter. The name prefect was
teacher don't show you how to do it. You have to make it work.
Yes. Definitely have to make it work.
One side, you know.
At the bag in bring, you know?
Come here.
At the bag, whoa, you know?
Yeah, man. About 6 pounds in a night, you know.
It's a 6 bag of the prayer.
Yeah, man, about 7 them. Yeah, pray about that.
You got prayer about it. You sure enough?
Genius on the ground, and go for the thing, you know,
yeah, so are you in the kitchen?
Yes, I know what to do, so I'm going to take my time,
you know? So you sure said me once?
Yeah, man, so we can hurry up, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, stretch it, man, you see?
Yeah.
Alright then, man.
So you say you go and count on the days them to the resort?
Why, I got everything, you know?
Yeah.
Because already, you know, I don't know, you know?
Hey, you know you have to go where the ice are drip, see you, you know?
Yeah, man, real, man. Getting clean up, you know?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Get the dripping, get the shades.
Yeah, man.
And the Wild West hat.
But the thing covered for you, man, over, man.
Hey, me I tell you, you know, the resort you not got normal, you know.
Yeah, man.
You not got normal, you know, old chef, you know, man.
Look, I'm a 3-piece suit, you know.
Yeah.
Chris James, you
I don't know.
see, that's a Brahma.
Yeah.
You never know, you might find it. It's a 3-piece.
Yeah, man, a 3-piece, I'm a suit,
If I even rent, me have to go rent it for you, you know. If I even rent, me have to go rent that one there for you, old chef. What you say? I gotta rent it for you. Hey, Rasta Jackson, what you say? I rent it for him. Yeah. Whoa, chef, man.
Oh, chef, man, in the kitchen make it work.
Yeah.
So you make it work for you.
You say bring your bath suit? Bad chunks.
A man one neck.
Bad chunks. Life box, what you say I bring? Bad suit. Bad chunks.
Bad shoes.
And bad. No, oh chef. You're bringing bad chunks out. Alright, watch me bringing bathing suit.
I bring everything I want, my bad suit, bathing suit,
Everything.
Alright, correction. Yeah.
I told you for water never swim, man.
I said the salt and the fresh.
I told you for water never swim, so yeah, man, I've got everything up.
I mean the pool I going on the beach.
I want for the beach, you know.
Yes, I.
Chunk for the beach, you know.
Yo, man, I tell us that.
I'm a 3-piece.
Be a laughter down so the whole chef, you know.
Look on road, that's the road, look at that space. Come up on that road.
Yeah.
Road being nice, you know.
When I fly out for
Martin,
Fly out because
Work out. All the thing I beat me still because I show my suitcase come on, you know.
yeah, see,
Come here, go.
see now forget the suitcase for you, man. You can't go it back.
You know. Yeah, man.
Worship, never get your suitcase, man. When you put the suitcase, yeah, do my worship.
Suitcase, me a jam suitcase come on.
Yeah, let's sit there right now, 3-piece suit, man, with your suit, man, and your jeans. What you say? And your felt hat,
Yeah,
and
man.
your shades,
Everything I'm
and the ice.
Yeah, man.
See it there? I eat that, you know. Man, them drinks, 3-piece, and them felt hat, and them glasses.
They show me 3-piece when you big foot in the pants are tight, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tailor made then, man. Oh, yeah.
They're really well tight, but I'm tight, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know? Yeah, my jeans are straight up.
Yeah,
Proper look, you know.
yeah, afterwards.
I'm going to feel them settings, you know.
Yeah,
All the things that come down, you know.
I tell
Love
you.
them come down there with you know. You hear that?
Boy, I tell you, when them say worship, I walk through the place with the ice a drip.
Me have love, come down there, me one on the side, one special one up on the side there.
Yeah.
You love me, I come down there.
Oh, you mean nothing but love.
Because I'm in a bad chunk, you know.
Cheers.
You see? That's why.
Right. Damn right.
Vocation, you know. 3-day vocation.
Lifestyle.
Thank you for the extra day, I got twice the thing this thing, you know. You see that thing?
Yeah. You say, and thank Oliver and Carla for the extra day.
Oliver and Carla, thank you for the extra day, you know.
I have twice it there.
You see?
Yeah.
Enough love and only for respect to you.
Boy, after that drama down there, boy, oh shit.
I see all my laps and I eat all my laps.
Jeez.
Yeah, man. Kino.
Yeah, worship is not in the kitchen that day there, you know.
Yeah, man. Party in a car.
Alright then.
Look at one shot of rope and go and build, you know.
Yeah, you know?
That is the kitchen, work.
Yeah.
Oh, chef that here.
In the kitchen?
But on a 3-day vocation leave.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You think so what they say? Like,
Yeah, the same thing.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.